Hey traders, happy Saturday to ya. Welcome to episode 300 something, 391 of TA in the trade. Could be doing anything somehow or something, but you're here, and for that I'm quite grateful. Thanks so much for being here. It's like TA Spring Break edition, dude. It's like we're back in college, man. We're back in collage, doing things like KNC's doing things. Okay, man. All right. What do you even want, dude? What do you even want? KNC. It was, we literally spoon-fed it to you in this stream. Did we not? Oh, yeah, man. I don't know what to tell you, dude. 236. You know, that's what's hilarious, man. This thing's been dumped so hard for so long that you've only hit a 23% retrace from really, it's not even the top, it's the pseudo top, right? The highest highs up here at like 38,224, but I'm not dealing with that crap. I'm going to be a little bit more rational, make sense. This wick here, close enough to the candle close. You could use either one, whatever, but we hit the 236, never the 382, 13,195. That's okay. This could be a while. This could take a while, right? It's probably not going to be like Ravencoin, man. All right, it's not going to be like that, dude. So just starting the show with this because we literally sized this up with Ravencoin. They looked very, very similar in their setups. And this thing went to demand, man. To demand, man. Oh, I grabbed it. What's up, Jack? Oh, what's everyone doing? Let's go to Bitcoin, man. What Bitcoin do? Not a bunch of... I mean, it went up some. It actually, like, Weekend Warrior kept up sloping. Let's do things. Dude, look how we got on the RSI on the 4 hour. 94. 90 freaking 4. Unbelievable, dude. That's crazy world. Crypto, man. Welcome to crypto. This is why you got into crypto. You cryptoholics, man. You're not excited about Kybercoin. I've been talking about all day. I've been talking to women about Kybercoin all around Atlanta, everywhere, and they just can't believe it, man. They're like, what? 94 on the RSI? Here's my number. Kappa. All right. We talked to the Uber driver in the day stream. We asked him about Bitcoin. He said, Bitcoin? What is Bitcoin? Legendary, dude. Literally legendary. All right. Anyway, all kinds of good stuff's going on today, man. Having a good time. I'm drinking coffee right now, black, because we just got back from the town. And, dude, I'm, like, tired. There's alcohol in my blood. I'm not saying I'm drunk. But I am saying Lucy freaking goosey, man. That's about it, all right? Bitcoin. Dude, all the ladies love the Kybercoin. They do, man. It's like decentralized courtship or something. Okay. So here we are, man. Bitcoin, fake out on the Weekend Warrior edition, ran up top of this flag. A little double top, tweezer double top action right up there. And we've since sold off a little bit, but still within the parameters of this little flag, man, we've had. We're just going to extend it out. It's going to keep on floating on up, man. Keep on up sloping. Eventually, we're looking for a target of 4,076, and that'd be an area where they just might get a good low-risk, high-reward opportunity on a short position. And we're not talking about going to zero. We're not talking about going to 2K or 3K. We're talking about 382, 618 retrace for our targets, okay? So we're talking about the bearish cyber pattern on Bitcoin. I know other people will have anchor point 1 and 2 down on the bottom, 1 on the top. That's fine, dude. Yeah, you can have an upsloping channel going on too. I'm sure that's fine. And that's great, man. So 1 and 2 trend line, you got to support the subsloping. You don't see it. It's there though, man. All right, and it probably coincides very well with that 200 moving average. This is a 4-hour chart. Okay. So unfortunately, man, dude. Unfortunately, look how we're just making these nice higher highs, but we're making we almost have no positive momentum on higher highs, dude. I'm telling you, man. Not looking good, dude. Not looking good. Asking to break down to sell off to 3781 area and maybe bounce from there. Okay. Maybe, just maybe, man. Is anyone even there? Okay, man. Is anyone even there anymore? Does anyone care about Bitcoin? Probably not, because everyone has already switched over to Kappa. All right. Man, I was like, should I even stream? But then I slapped myself in the face and said, what? I could never ask such a question. Of course, I should stream, dude. I'm wearing a vest because this house is freaking cold, dude. What's up, Phil Centura, mate? What's up, dude? How you doing, dude? Jeremy, how you doing, man? Drunken analysis is the best analysis, man. Hey, dude, we can be drunken and still make good calls, dude. I'm sure there was alcohol in my blood when we talked about... There literally was alcohol in my blood when we did a comparative analysis from Ravencoin to Kybercoin. So, like, whatever, man. Just because you have alcohol in your blood doesn't make your analysis any less reliable. All right. But Jeremy S. gets that, man. What's up, Human Tripod? Miss Cantomo, man. Yulia Guskuski, hello. Hope you're having a good Saturday. Randy Schulz, how's tricks, man? Tricks are for rabbits or something. Can't remember the saying. You get it, though. What's up, Francisco? Bradford, dude. P. Miller, man. What's up, man? I'm lit tonight. C-Dub, XRP. I'm alright, man. I'm alright. Kind of take a quick look at Tesla, man. If I remember it, dude. I don't have a pen and paper, alright? So I'm going off of just my brain, man. Alright, so Tesla's on the mental list for now until it gets erased. Struggling, dude. Background hotel, Jesus, please. Will do, Julia. Will do. Calcupone, Bitcoin? Nah, dude, never, dude. We will never analyze Bitcoin on the stream. Okay, ever. Just saying. What's up, Riley, dude? Randy Joe, man. Truth Downer, man. Hello, dude. Hey, Private Wins. What's up, man? Good to see you, dude. Women can't believe Capricorn. Mid-Trade episode 3901, dude. Dad. So, dude, we're getting close to episode 420 at some point, man. Can anyone do the math on it? It'll say I don't skip a day or night stream until we get to 420. What would the date be? Somebody, please analyze this right now. Right here, right now. Okay, because it's serious business, man. Did somebody say turn on the music a little bit? Okay, dude. TA and funk. It's incredible, dude. Hey, Hector, dude. When's your project, man? Hello, dude. The Night King will win you over with poutine, man. Hey, Walt Margello, man. Almost done with chat, okay? Where's Bellboy? He's no Bellboy. He is the landlord, dude. VeChain doing things. Sure thing, CoinLink, man. I'm happy about VeChain doing things. What was it? Tricks is for goats. Yeah, there you go, man. I knew it was something like that, dude. Set it on music, man. $14.5 streams. I want to have episode 420 on 420. I think that would be the most insane, hilarious thing ever. What would I have to do, man? Tell me what I have to do. So I get that 14.5, but I'm talking about what about like the date, Miss Kentone, man? What's the date, dude? Probably way too far off. We're definitely gonna be at 420 way before 420. So it sucks, dude. I should have left my channel like. Should have left the other channel like 3 weeks later. 48 days. In 48 days, if I do it twice a day, it'll be 420? Nuh-uh. Really? I'm not talking about I'm not saying when is the date of 420 away. I'm saying like, what is the date gonna be if I don't skip a stream? What's the date gonna be when we do episode 420? Am I chugging tonight, dude? That's not up to me, man. That's not up to me, dude. That's up to y'all. Always, Hector. I'm never gonna chug, but you always have the power to make it happen, okay, dude? That's like, welcome to life, man. Pretty nice little setup, right? where you all have the power. March 17th could be 420 or 320. Dude, we don't lose episodes, man. We gain them. Maybe in Australia, I know the toilet flushes the other way, so it might be like that in Australia math. All right. Anyway, so Bitcoin still holding on somehow, some way, but I'm telling you, it's going to sell off probably. Right, just like here, we're like, you got a higher percentage chance of breaking the upside than the downside on the move down. And what do we do? $200 plus move. Kingdom, dude. So the divergence is here. It's real. Of course, we could just break to the upside, man, become kings, of course, and we're happy and excited about that. We're not playing this right now. We're waiting to play this. We're waiting for 4,076 to play this. So we don't care what happens literally next, right? Unless it goes straight up to our entry, maybe. And that's all we care about. But for now, it goes up, down, up, down. I don't care. Hopefully it forms a rising wedge, a really nice rising wedge pattern. Like, I'd love to see us top out here and sell off some more, make a higher low again, and then run up again, make a slightly higher low. Dude, form the rising wedge. It'd be perfect, because then it'd be a coinciding variable, right? So you'd have like this fractal with the harmonic pattern, and then hopefully we get like more divergence or something, and it would just be cool, man. It'd be really nice. Give us more confidence in that thing. So 14.5 days. So what is that, Mr. Cantone, man? So it's gonna be like March 20th or something. I'd have to skip some day streams to do that. Yeah, I'd do too many day streams, man. It'd be like vacation, dude. No thanks. But the beauty is, man, because of y'all, it's not like, I mean, y'all have made it to where I can do what I want to do. And it's not like I'm taking time off. It's not like I feel like I have to do this. It's like I literally want to do this, man. I want to stream for y'all. We have bullish Garley on BTC to BTC. I don't know, dude. You look at it, man. If I remember. Hello? Dang, dude, that was it, man. What is it looking, dude? Okay. So you get it, man. You get it. The divergence, the higher highs, sell off to at least 3,800 would not be a big deal. It would not be a bad thing. It would be good, and it would set us up for a nice wedge. Because now, weird enough, man, how we plotted this, it literally ran up to pretty much the top of our little our cipher. All right, so if this was really the high, we kept selling off. It'd be 1 and 2 now, and then you could have 1 and 2, or maybe we sell off, make a more concerted second anchor point. Then you'd have 2 converging up sloping trend lines, and that's exactly what you're looking for. It'd be beautiful. It'd be so fantastic, man. Let's look for the rising wedge here and be kings. That's it. Let's go through. Dude, this super duper struggle bus right now, man. I'm like so tired. What's this coffee will work, man? It was 2, there would be punch and pie, Mr. Cantoma. Yeah, dude. Okay, it'd be March 24th if I don't skip. Thanks, dude. So it'd be like a freaking month off. I'd have to take off an entire freaking month, dude. No way. Never did. 6 sell off. I mean, dude, to be expected, man. You had 94 on the RSI, man. That's absurd levels, obscene levels, not even safe for work levels. Thanks for the concept of divergences. You placed a bet from yesterday to today on Theta, and guess what, bro? You are king, man. Well, congratulations on your sick, fat, stupid gains. Fat, PHAT, pretty hot and tempting gains, dude, okay? Congratulations, dude. Wonderful. So we'll Ethereum, dude. You zoom out, you see it, the upsloping converging trend lines. Dude, the height of this is momentous, 82 to 166. Are you kidding me, dude? It's crazy, man. All right, so broke our upsloping pattern, our ascending broadening wedge. Then we formed two diverging downsloping trend lines, equating to the descending broadening wedge. And so we've since been bouncing off this trend line that was once resistance, is now support. We're just continuing to do the same, man. I mean, really, it's just, it's sad, man. It's a really sad day for Ethereum that we just can't break the 382, 142.74. But we talked about last night how crazy it'd be. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Wow, neckline, dude. That'd be a stupendous run, man. Stupendous, man. That'd be a really, really large measure move if we could hit those targets, man. Alright. Okay, dude. Thanks for 77 people watching. I can't even believe y'all are here right now, okay? People are probably Mitched out right now. After last night and today, it's just like, I'm done with Mitch. Too much Mitch. You're getting sick off Mitch. I get it, dude. It's understandable. But I'm still going to show up. Still going to give you these market updates, whatever. Talk, meme, joke, have fun. And play a little good music, okay, man? So, there you go, dude. Can't break it. But if you do, man, could be a nice little run up, right? I mean, I think you got some... You're really just hitting resistance looking left, man, from like February 19th and February 21st and stuff like that. That's what you're hitting. And the golden zone, too. You're touching the golden zone at the beginning of it. So, measure move, dude, if it did happen, which I don't even know, man, if people are interpreting it this way, which they could, but I just don't know. Alright, so it's right there, man. It's like 150 something. That's like the size of potential pattern. The wicks, though, make it potentially erroneous or tenuous of pattern. Alright, so we just don't know. So look for a 150 if it was to break to the upside and break above 142.74. Okay, thanks, man. Oh, good. Let's get a repel, dude. Oh man, it's just getting more and more sexual, isn't it? Up in here on Ripple, dude. Right, you just got, oh yeah, the falling wedge breakout. Beautiful, dude. Hitting that support, dude. Now we're just making those higher lows, over and over. But lower highs, over and over. So the price contraction's real. Look for 33.6 cents to be our breaking point of that pattern, of that inherently neutral symmetrical triangle. All right, and so if we break that, man, could be a nice move up to maybe above the 382. You know, you're going to have resistance up there, as you've clearly seen multiple times now, even in this upslipping structure, this little channel we've developed. 35.4 cents. We have been unable to break that. We've been double topping, triple topping up there. Can't break it. So definitely going to play a role of adversity for you on XRP. But if we can break that, man, then you're not far off from that top trend line, that teal upsloping top trend line of the channel, right? So maybe if time goes by, you can see we can hold within the parameters of this channel, and eventually in maybe late March hit 37.5 cents, all right, or something, right? Just, that's it, man. All right, that's your Ripple, dude. Triangle. Saw, dude. Saw. Is this even live, man? Am I even live right now? Fake news, man. Fake news. Okay. I'm going too hard. Okay, going too hard. This vacation and this streaming stuff, man. Whew.
THX bro equals.
THX bro equals Robert A. It's 589. Thanks so much, dude, for the 589. Really appreciate the Ethereum Classic and the jar, dude. Again, congratulations, man, on your sick, fat, stupid gains, dude. And I'm glad that maybe you made those sick gains based off just a little bit of divergence, man. All right, the divergence education. Wonderful. Yeah, I feel like undead stream. Okay, I'm Lady Sylvanas. I'm gonna get you. I just can't tell what to do. Let's get a box mining in stream. So We can just have a discussion on World of Warcraft. I'm sure we get a big audience, man. Okay, Kaba. Dude, I'm just trying to like, just trying to get this coffee in me, dude. I'm like on E. I'm like below E. I'm at the point where like we're again, dude. You know, like we're in Seinfeld, dude. We're like Kramer in the car, and we're just. We don't know when we're going to run out of gas, but we're just continuing to push it as far as we can. Big Razo, man, no one knows, dude. 589 of some denomination, right? So it could be 5.89 cents, it could be $5.89, or it could be $589. Probably not on that one, but you get it, dude, right? So I answered somehow. Alright, man. Oh my god. You go P. Miller, man. Nah, dude, for the Horde. Get wrecked, dude. Alright, had a nice little retrace where we have our nice little retrace. There is a support here. Magenta, horizontal line. You bounce, man. Look, you had a low. Look, you had a low, a low, a lower low, right? What does that mean? Well, that means in the 4 hour we had some divergence, all right? Not on the, really on the RSI, or on the MACD, on the RSI only. MACD was like you had the huge spike down, but then like you're on your way down, like the low, the lower low, you had like higher levels. But like really from this major low to this low, yeah, you did have lower levels of negative momentum, man, but it wasn't clean. It was not clean, dude. What's up at Landcap, dude? Is he here? Nuh-uh. Why is he not showing up on my restream, dude? I don't understand. Dude, he's here. He says, sup, folks. What's up, dude? Sup, dude? What's up, man? Holy crap. Okay, so Tesla, the marijuana, Ambien, double bottom, ran up. Same high. You just got that. What's it called, chat? Hey, chat, what is this? What is this pattern called? Before I give it away, I'm not doing anything else on the stream until people answer. Okay, tell me what it is. Tell me the name of it. Say it right. If you're wrong a little bit, you're wrong completely. Okay, go ahead. And I'm just going to sit here and wait, dude, until you answer. Thanks. Sorry.
You are feeling the effects of trying to ease the pain of losing the princess. I hope you find your way out of this funk. Getting drunk is only the simple way to feel great, then feel. Hope we meet up in Cali. See you soon. The Prince of Cali.
I don't know, man. Dude, I'm already like getting closer and closer to being over that. I mean, like, completely. So you bringing it up only brings it up and doesn't help. But do you believe me? That's not it, man. People come in your life for reasons, and they come in your life for seasons. And when they're gone, you look back and you analyze why they were in your life and what they did and what kind of change they surmounted or created. What kind of catalyst were they for you to change? And she was a great catalyst for really, really getting me I don't know, man. Like, she's the reason why I want more in a social life. Because when she's gone, yeah, that was it. So we'll see who's right. Who got it first? Nope. Probes, that was close, man, but you misspelled, and you know how pedantic I am. Did no one literally get it exactly right? Y'all, dude, really? Really? Probes was right, but he was wrong because he misspelled. So I guess I'll give it to him. But yeah, it is the, what is it, chat? Well, I'm asking y'all, the right angled and descending broadening formation. There's no, I guess you'd call it something else, but this is the absolute, everything else is slang. This is the technical Bulkowski term, right angled and descending broadening formation, the RADBF. All right. You did it, man. You friggin' did it. All right. And I see people posted descending broadening wedge. No, right? Real quick, man. A descending broadening wedge, where you have two trend lines that diverge, but preferably the bottom trend line is much steeper in its down slope. Right angled, or sorry, that's the descending broadening wedge. And then we have the pattern we just discussed, the right angled and descending broadening formation, where you have one horizontal trend line at the top. One's, it's like a, think about ascending triangle. It's the opposite almost, right? But it's still the same type of psychology, bullishness, right? So down sloping trend line on the bottom, same thing here. So one is horizontal line at the top, one is down sloping at the top. All right, that is the difference between the descending broadening wedge and the right angled and descending broadening formation. It's not a wedge. Okay, man, okay. And then, of course, you have the other one, right? What is the other one? It is just the falling wedge. Yes. And then, of course, the ascending triangle. Okay, this is the family, dude. They're all like cousins. They're all like, hey, man, we're inherently bullish. All four of us are inherently bullish. Good for us. All right, take a look. Take a look. Enjoy it, man. There's no such thing as the best S coin to hodl, okay? No one holds S coins. That's stupid, dude. There's a trader's market, dude. Trader's market, it's technical analysis. This is not a Moon Boy channel. This is not a, oh, well, we're going to look at the crypto news today, dude. Sorry, dude. We literally look at charts all the time. It's like all we do. I don't know. We talk about Elon. We like keeping up with we're like technical analysis and like Elon Musk Tesla news, okay? I think we're like, I'm thinking about like doing Tesla news too because it's hilarious, okay? Just because it's funny. It's like for the memes, dude. All right. Holy crap, dude. TA on that. Stop, dude. Stop with that, dude. Bradford, man. Holy crap. Bruh. Bruh. Coach Gabe, man, I'm happy to hear that. It's an honor that you say that, dude. It gives me a lot of fulfillment. It gets me out of bed in the morning, right? Yes, Atlanta Cap. That's what I'm doing, dude. Yeah. Please don't be throwing out cell phone numbers in chat. Easy, Yuri. Come on, dude. I know there's no area code, but... Dude, I don't care other people's thoughts, alright? Bitcoin's going to 2,500. Good for them, dude. What's the reason? Tell me the technical reason why. And yeah, maybe they're right, but dude, we don't care. Like, we don't care, dude. We're literally waiting for 4,070 something. That's all that we care about. All right, we don't care about, well, it's gonna do this. A big move's coming, dude. That's just not helpful, man. Like, where's the entry? Where's the exit? Where's the short? Where's the start? Well, at least we know an entry for our potential short, okay? Like, I just say, I don't know, man. I don't, like, I'm not worried about other people and their analysis, right? I'm worried about what I've learned, and I like applying what I learn because I know what I do makes a lot of sense and it works. And it's pretty freaking reliable. And I think you know that if you've been watching me for a year, okay? Good stuff, Randy. Congratulations on the loining stuff. This is not my wedge, this is my formation. What's up, Giant Prophet, man? Matt Shaver, dude. Mr. Shaver, dude. Elon, charts, memes, and alcohol. That's the recipe. Yes, it is, dude. Is this my new laptop? It sure is, Mr. Shaver, man. It sure is. Hey, if you check out the Community IRL, you'll see the setup, the traveling setup so far. This is I'm in my buddy's office because I'm staying with him in Atlanta. Sure thing, TR. Fun guy, of course, man. Anytime. Sorry, I got stuck on this. Just deleting all of it because it gets cluttered after a while. I love the clean slate, man. The clean slate. Anything's possible right here on the screen. Anything's possible in life with a clean slate. Moments in life give us those clean slates. What are you going to do with your clean slate when you get it? Because it's going to happen to you, man. You're going to get a clean slate at some point. Whether it's next year, next month, tomorrow, 3 to 5 years from now. Eventually you're going to get something that happens in your life to where you're just staring at a black screen like this. A canvas. What will you do? How will you respond to your new world? Questions you must answer. Be prepared. Okay. Tesla outside that upslipping channel. Historical uptrend, man. Been in 2014. Oh my God. You're out. But you were out before. We'll see if we can bounce and hold. But you really want to watch. You really want to see, man. Are we going to bounce at 288? 288 as a resistance. We're going to use it as resistance when it was once a support. Be interesting to see. But for now, you got a horizontal line support. Yeah, you got, it's got you on live support, right? So, hey, Death V, man, thanks for the follow on Twitch, dude. Thanks, dude. Nice to see you, dude. Kingdom. Holy crap. Coffee bean, man. 2,500 XRP. Oh, okay. They said 2,500 XRP, like $2,500, 2,500 pesos, rubles, what, dude? Rupees? Tell me what they meant, dude. Thanks for all my gel, man. Cheers, Screwed to Fish, man. Have you ever have any questions about patterns? Okay, you're not quite sure of something. Like, I don't think y'all ask enough questions about that stuff. Y'all are always like, coin requests, right? Coin requests. But like, dude, if you want to like, I'm okay with like going back and like going over analysis of a falling wedge or a rising wedge or a triangle or something, man. Okay, Head and Shoulders, like anything, man. Like, just feel free to ask it, okay? And if I don't get it, man, ask again at some other point, right? It's like, I'll get to it, but like, dude, there's nothing wrong with asking about educational questions. Don't just, I mean, I get it, man. Everyone wants to see their coins, but dude, when you're asking me to analyze a coin, you're making me spend time on analyzing a coin, which may or may not help you as a trader or as an analyst yourself, right? So like if you want to spew out education questions, always welcome, man. Always happy to do that. Dude, this is like legit laptop, dude. I love it. Probes, man, I love it. Cheers, man. You think I'm gonna be famous sometime soon, dude? Dallas, I mean, where's the analysis, dude? Give me the analysis on why you think that's gonna be possible, dude. Dude, this is such a niche thing that I do. TA, man. There's just not enough people that exist out there that care about this kind of stuff, right? For me to become famous, man. All right. What is it? DTRC? Is that a thing, dude? Dude, I love this song, dude. Is this like Terrapin? Terrapin Station? So, I could listen to like this all night, dude. Hold on. Dakota Territory Resource? Oh my god, dude. Really? You want to look at Dakota Territory Resource? Hold on, though. Alright, and you were asking about a Gartley, Eva was asking about, I think maybe, dude, maybe. Let me clean it up, alright? Because we had not looked at this in a while, right? Okay, you were asking, is this some sort of Gartley? Let me make sure I got clarification on what you said, Eva. If you're even still here. You just never know, man. Dude. Gosh dang it, man. Sorry, Eva, can you repeat your question while I'm looking at this if you're still here? It would help a lot. Thanks. Can't find it, dude. Some shit. Dang. Alright. Normally you don't want the whole freaking thing. Let's do it like this, man. Alright. Interesting. And you're like Eva, you're like, is this it, man? Ah, too deep of a retrace, man. Too deep. You need a 62% retrace. I get it. All right, well, benefit of the doubt, man, I guess, right? 786 is right here, man. It's not like, I mean, I think that's too deep of a retrace. But like, people would argue that this is the bottom, which is stupid, I guess. And then if you do it like that, I mean, I get it. If you do it like that, well, the 786 is way down here. Hey, Ms. Chef, man, thanks so much for the 126 biddies, man. Yeah, dude, sorry, I haven't implemented the jar for that. I gotta do the stupid script thing. It's a really stupid script for making that jar on Streamlabs transparent to make it work with the setup we got, so I just didn't do that yet. But look, if you're looking at it like this is valid, okay? That major low is the entire lifespan of the chart. So look for a 13 sat area of entry if you're to play this, I guess, right? But that looks super nice, man. Wow, dude, Eva, fantastic, dude. On the daily, it makes a lot of sense, okay? Tons of sense. Dude, I freaking dig it, man. Alright, dude. 13 sat entry on BTT to BTC if you're to be king. If you're thinking to be a low risk, high reward king, they have it. Fantastical, man. Okay, man. Whew. Dude. Sorry, it was probably really loud, and that's my bad, dude. Oh my god. So if that's the case, dude, what do we do, man? What do we do? We go from C to D from the low when we get there, and then 382, 618, 100%. Or 1272, depending on your style, man. It can't ding you for autocorrect probes, man. Dude, I gave it to you, man. I gave it to you, man. Sorry, I had my phone on vibrate. I didn't get that. What just happened? Sorry, I treated someone. Talking to someone. All right, man. Keep your eye on BTT to BTC. We could be kings, man. And then we'll play the We Can Be Kings, the Wallflower song, right? I think that's how they do it, dude. I don't know anymore. Hey, Beach Life. He just came back from the beach. Well, it's in your nature, dude, to go to the beach. Fibma fame level, I haven't even gotten close to like the 236. Like I haven't even like gotten to like the 10% fib node level. What's my RAM? I think it's like 16 gigs on this thing, dude. That's it. It's not even much, but I don't game on it. I don't ever intend to game on this thing. This is a work PC for streaming and trading, man. Too many spring breakers getting crazy, dude. Oh, it's token. I didn't know that, man. It's just not on TradingView. I can't analyze it, unfortunately, Prosperity, man. I would, though. You know, I would. We love charting S coins, dude. Kappa. Is Dash about to explode? Look at Dash, man. Yeah, I think it is. I think it's ready and primed to explode, yes. I think it's already broken out of its wedge, and now it's formed a triangle at higher lows, and though it could crap out, that's fine. I think this thing could have an extremely powerful run. Our most discernible swing high on the daily time scale goes back to April 25th, this high right here to low. You look at a 382 and a 50% targets, and then you also have the measure move of the symmetrical triangle, so you have 3 targets, right? This is a Patreon trade setup, so this is kind of a freebie, all right? This is a whatever, man. You get it, dude. This isn't like you join the Patreon because you appreciate what I do, right? Trade setups are good, but like you can't be like offended if like I do something that's not extremely only exclusive. Sometimes, right? If I like leave up the targets and stuff, it's okay, right? You can't like, oh, I'm quitting this, man. Everyone else is getting it for free, but it's like, dude, we also give setups that have like you don't see any of the targets. So this one's just here, man. All right. So yeah, I think this thing could go I think it's getting ready. It's doing the things that you would see. The conditions are right. It's like a tornado watch, a bullish tornado watch. A tornado watch, conditions are favorable for a tornado. So the bullish tornado quite possibly could be happening. Special or significant weather advisory for Dash. Yes, we could be kings, man. Again. G Torres might be a good idea, man. Snow, huh? Hey, what's up, Sam Easy, dude? Thanks for tuning in, dude. Thanks, Francisco, dude. Any thoughts on Dash? My thoughts on Dash, Kangs. Turn on the music, dude. Is it too quiet now? Go figure, dude. There you go. I'm sure it's good now. What games do I play? I don't play games. I played Shadow of War. Just because I love Lord of the Rings and stuff. And I had, you know, I have an SLI. I have two 1080 Ti's, so why not take advantage, play a game I love, or game like a lore I love, and take advantage. You know, it's like benefits of work, right? So played it, loved it. You know, it's over now. So I don't play games. So that was like a big exception. I'd not played games in years until Shadow of War. Yeah. It's cool, man, right? Bullish tornadoes greater than bearish hurricane. Oh yeah, dude, always, man. It's a good question, dude. Well, so let's take a look at it, man. All right, because I'm just gonna clean slate this one, man. I haven't looked at it in a while, Phil. It's just been a minute, so let's look at this thing. What was it, man? So it's clearly, I think, just like a lot of the rest, right? This angle of descent, the selling pressure got weaker and weaker, and then the selling pressure literally didn't exist anymore, and you made higher lows, right? That's really what was going on. Okay? Selling had been going on since, dude, May of 2018. Come on, man. We're getting close to a year now. We're getting there. All right. So whatever way you want to plot this, I don't know which anchor point. It doesn't matter, because it's like they all did it, man. They all did the same thing, dude.
Time for a new game with that sweet rig?
Yeah, these days, Miss Shaver, man, my life's video games, man, just don't do it for me, man. I'm looking for some greater fulfillments, right? Like, I'm looking to like move and get out of where I was born and raised, and thought I was gonna do the traditional life. I thought that's what it was gonna be, but it's not. I gave it a shot. Things just I don't know, man. I'm not really, you know, just not in a place where video games seem to be something I really want to do, especially these days. So, like you're saying, man, just, no, man, just traveling streamer, dude. Just traveling streamer, dude. Thanks, man, for the threes, dude. It looks, dude, it looks like all the rest, Phil. It looks like a TA thing, kind of, right? Momo shift, you had your one huge structure, you broke it, you kept selling off, but the selling wasn't as bad. Then you had two converging down sloping trend lines, and you break out, man. But you're right at that 200-day moving average, and you're overbought on the daily at 72. All right, so we know the only discernible swing high at this point is very easy. I love when they're easy like that. Nulls high to low. Dude, we're not even close, man. Hadn't needed 23% retrace. This thing should go much, much higher in time, but that could take a long time, right? So until you even hit the 236, you don't even know you have a real swing low in. So I think it was just some slight amount of accumulation. The rest of these coins are doing the same things. So I think, whatever, man, things are just turning around for these things that have been incessantly sold for almost a year now. Okay. Dude, how similar does this look to many others that we've seen, Phil? I said Knowles too. To what? Alessandro, dude, evidently I can't accept crypto tips on stream anymore. I think Streamlabs, they got in their big argument. There's issues they're having internally, so crypto tips are now kind of off the table, unless you just want my direct address for any crypto you could dream of. Yeah, sure, I plan to. I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone more. It's very tough for, it's just not easy, man. Like, you get in a comfort zone, you get complacent in a certain way, and it's not good for you, right? So like me, you know, sitting in the suburbs, a 3,000 square foot house, you know, like, I love streaming, I love it, man, I love it, but like, and I love trading, I love scanning charts, I love analyzing things, but like, there's just, man, most people would kill, you know, to have like an imbalance of their work life. Most people have imbalances in their work life and social life, but most people, their imbalance is too much social life, not enough work life, right? Mine's like literally the opposite. Like, due to like persistence of showing up like pretty much 7 days a week for a year, like things have accelerated wonderfully in terms of what I do, I guess, for a job, right? But like everything else has suffered tremendously, and so I'm trying to get that back in check. I'm trying to get some balance, trying to pull a Thanos here, okay? See, it's just like you had like Divergence, right? You had it, you spiked up. Kind of the way it looks, Phil. So it does look TA induced, right? A little bit. So good stuff, man. Congratulations, Knowles. Alt's popping off. That's right, dudes. Cheers, Phil, man. Congratulations on your scalp on Knowles for breakfast, dude. You eat pieces of Knowles for breakfast? Gross. Dude, eyes are so heavy. I don't know, man. To go out, it's like 12:15 here. That's so crazy, man. It's just weird, man. Sure, I'm ready, dude. Oh, dude. Miss Kentemo, Bitcoin looks bearish, dude. That's like when you don't get into Bitcoin pairs, unfortunately. It's tough, man. It's not easy. That's like Larley, I know, doesn't even touch Bitcoin pairs, which is fine. Like, but if you know Bitcoin is in a consolidation period, right, which we know it is, it's like not quite ready to dump yet. We don't think. I think a 70% retrace or at least a 62% retrace is the area where we might start making those moves down. But we know after big impulses, we have the ability to look at those Bitcoin pairs because Bitcoin's volatility is low. When Bitcoin volatility is low, only the alts have the ability and freedom to do their thing. All right. That's right. Torrenzal. How long have I been live, man? Been live for like some time. An hour now. I've been live. Let's go to Bitcoin. Cool, dude. Let's go to Bitcoin the daily, whatever, man. That's BTT. All right, there you go, man. Here's your daily. Pattern still looks really good on the daily. It still looks very, it looks real. It looks like something you could see. And the bullish engulfing candle set off price action that ran us up even more to a point where we are right back at that 236. 23% retrace from the November 7th high to December 15th low. All right, so right there. We would expect to make higher prices, but there's always the chance that it'll never work out, it'll never play out, and you'll dump. All right, I get it, man. But we just know that it would make a lot more sense technically for us to hit 4,400 to 5,200 because of the psychology of how it all works, man. Like, how is this thing going to make a devastating move down when we know how people think, right? We know that people with a lot of money, they use Fibonacci, so they wait for areas of value to take short positions, right? Good value at those areas between that golden zone. And we're just not there yet. We're just not quite there. So oh man. Okay. It's a struggle, man. Okay, y'all. What I think I'm gonna do is get out of here, alright? It's been fun. It's been real fun. I just wanted to come on here, even when I'm gone, even when I'm in another city. I like putting in as much effort as I can for y'all, okay? To make sure you understand the markets, what's going on with them, okay? Fed is dumping hard. You mean vet? Okay, I guess we can go to vet before we go. Yeah. V-chain doing things. Momo shift, double bottom. Come on, dude. Sell wall. Measure move is up here. Is up here. If we can break it, dude. These chains that bind us to this pattern. What will XRP look like in 5 years? Whatever you want, dude, okay? Whatever you want. Oh yeah, man. This is definitely the hangover stream. I'll be back tomorrow sometime. I don't even know if I'm traveling back to Birmingham tomorrow or not, okay? Just going with the flow, alright? So, I'll be back literally tomorrow. So, until next time, respect the TA.